Hey, we get a lot of questions on roofs, so we thought we'd take a minute to talk about the difference between replacement costs and actual cash value. So the big difference between replacement cost and actual cash value is replacement cost if your house, let's say, is your roof is 20 years old, and 10 years of that period has gone. You just pay your deductible, whether that's $1,000 or $2,500, and then they're gonna fix it for you. Versus if you have actual cash value, what we're looking at then is they're gonna depreciate that. So if half the life is gone, it's a $20,000 roof, they're gonna give you $10,000 minus your deductible. So you could be walking away with, say, $7,500. That's if it's all actual cash value. Some companies will just depreciate the material. Some will depreciate material and labor, which you want to know ahead of time before you have a claim because it can make a big difference. On the flip side of that too, on the replacement cost side, there are some companies that allow you to endorse the policy to have matching siding and roofing. So if you have a damaged portion and they can't match that roof, then they'll replace that whole roof for you if you have that endorsement. So it does make a big difference. A lot of times it's a couple $100 difference. So if you see on your policy that you have the ACV symbol, make sure you call your agent just to make sure what you've got. But if you have other questions on roof, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to help. Thanks.